up? Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming back. If you're a subscriber, if it's your first time here, my name is FaithO, Ramblings of FaithO, and today's going to be a unboxing / review. I literally have just been in a steady grind phase, so a lot of things have just been sitting in my bedroom, especially in my bedroom floor, in my closet floor, just waiting to be unboxed because I want to share my opinions, my thoughts, and if anyone cares to hear it, thoughts on the things that I purchased. So once again, this is a Telfar unboxing. I got another medium bag, but this time instead of navy, I got it in black. I'm like 75% sure it was black. Like I said in the other Telfar video, I'm definitely going to get the large because I feel like that'd be a great traveling bag. I'm not sure. I think I already have enough traveling bags, but yeah. So I know in my first video I said that the shipping from Amazon was, faster, but as I don't know if people read the little subtext I put on the screen, I do think their shipping is comparable to Amazon shipping. It was really fast. Like I forgot what day I ordered this, but literally within 48 hours it's at my front door. They don't use the post office. I think they use like either DHL or like they use something that's very fast and efficient. So the Amazon shipping or their shipping through the website is pretty on par, so don't fret. Yep. Oh wait, I actually got an Oxblood. Wow, she is different. Okay, queen. Okay, queen, I see you. I got it in Oxblood. Like I said, the medium shopping bag goes for $150 or $202. You know what? The prices will be on the screen and down below in the description box. So, oh, okay. Wow. Okay. I don't know why this feels bigger than the first one, but here's the Telfar. It's funny because I was always thinking I was gonna, not knowing I ordered the Oxblood already. It's like past Faith knew what present and future Faith wanted, and honestly, her mind. She's a smart person. I'm showing it the wrong way, but here's what it looks like. I do love how it's his initials, Telfar Clemens. Let's see this T. I think that's really cute. Okay. Okay, they just had a paper to like hold it up. That's it for here. Just a little dust bag that comes with it, and I think this is a beautiful bag color. Yeah, I love this. I haven't had a red bag in so long that this feels so like out of my normal scope. I love it. I love my navy one. I have the mini black one that I'm going to do a review on because I think some things should be said about it. Nothing bad, but just like I was shocked. But I think the medium is a perfect bag for a woman on the go. You're a student, you work in an office. If you work in an office and you carry a lot of things, I would definitely say just upgrade to the large. But this is beautiful. This is what it looks like. You got your 2 mini straps and the 2 long straps. Unfortunately, you cannot. Oh wait, you can rock a crossbody, but it just hits me at an awkward angle, like. You know what I mean? Like it's like right there on the titty, and then yeah, long strap. It is vegan leather, pleather if you are that type of person, but I'm not really bothered by it. Okay. Telfar tag. Yeah, medium shopper. Oxblood. I don't know why I'm such a klutz today, but yeah. I just end up buying so many bags for like, I don't see no reason. But again, another TC logo. It only has 1 zipper, but it is pretty spacious. It's just a little silicone packet. I'm telling you, I've stopped carrying a lot of shit in my bag unless I'm in school, but this can hold a lot of shit. It can hold a lot of stuff in it. Please don't sleep on it. I think it's very pretty. It's actually I hope it's picking up true to color, but it is very like a deep wine. I guess that's what Oxblood is anyway, but it's a very pretty deep color. Yeah, I definitely recommend support a Black-owned business. Like I mentioned in my other Telfar video, you should definitely sign up for their subscription, their mailing list, to notify you every time there's a new dropping. Because, or you could try their Twitter. The only thing I've noticed about the Twitter, it's always behind. Like when I've already gotten the email like the day before, they're now, it's just not as proactive. It's not as fast as like being on their mailing list. So I would recommend that. Anyway, I'm really excited. I'm you know when you just buy things and you just don't open them right away, so you just forget what the heck you have. But like, I love this. I wear a lot of black. I do tend to wear a lot of neutrals 95% of the time, so I need bags with pops of color, and I'm absolutely in love with this in this shade. So yeah, recommend it. Support Black-owned businesses. It's a great bag. I think everyone needs a Telfar in their closet ASAP. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, this unboxing / review / first impressions, and I hope you have a great day. Catch you on the flip side, babes.